Every system you integrate with has its own model. Nullable everything, magic codes, fields named whatever they felt like that day. Let that shape flow straight into your domain, and their mess becomes your mess. The fix is an anti-corruption layer, a translator at the boundary, and it's a pattern you write, not a framework feature. Here's the leak. You take the external user object, nullable strings, an email nobody validated, a role code that means something only their team remembers, and you pass it straight into your domain. Now their model is your model. Their nulls are your nulls. And when they change a field next quarter, your domain breaks. The corruption walked right in the front door. So you write a translator. It's just a class. There's no Trellis ACL type, because this is a pattern, not a feature. It's one job. Turn the external shape into your domain types. The external GUID becomes a member ID, parsed and validated. The raw string becomes a real email address. Combine runs both. Map builds the member. Garbage and becomes a typed failure, right here at the boundary. Then you call the translator at the edge, and only the edge. Bad external data comes back as a failed result, a clean 422, stopped at the door. Good data comes back as a member you can trust completely. Everything past this line works with your types, your invariants, your guarantees. The outside world's shape never crosses the boundary. Only validated domain objects do. So an anti-corruption layer makes 3 promises. 1. It's a pattern you own. Trellis deliberately ships no ACL type, because the translator is just your code. 2. The translation happens at the boundary, and only there, so external types never leak inward. 3. Because you translate into value objects through try-create, the conversion also validates. Bad external data becomes a typed failure, not a corrupt object. Your domain stays clean by construction. An anti-corruption layer keeps every external model on the outside, where it belongs, and Trellis makes the translated result trustworthy by construction. Next, the discipline that keeps a model from collapsing under its own weight. YGNI, building for today's invariants, not an imagined future. Subscribe, and I'll see you there.